Well, hello, family. How are you? Welcome back. My name is Keith Henley and of Alpha Designs, the owner and designer. And I said we were going to do some working on my cross stitch. So tonight what I want to do is I want to show you, we're going to work on this little area right here. I just want to show you a basic stitch, give you some basics, and also show you how to maintain the back. Now, the most important thing about cross stitching is neatness. Okay, and one thing I learned about cross stitch, and you'll find, is that when you are so you see, let me pull this up here. All right, you see these little holes up in here? All right, so these are designed for your X's. All right, so you want to make your cross, and if you're going, always, all of your stitches have to go the same way. So if you're going to make your cross left to right and then right to left, they all have to be that way, or else you're going to have a problem. Your stitching is going to look a hot mess. Okay, it's going to look a hot mess. All right. And then you want to make sure that the back is nice and neat. See how nice and neat that is? Oh boy, if I had some of the veterans who've been cross-stitching for years saw the back of my work, they would go like, wow. And I've only been cross-stitching for not even a year yet. So this is good. Well, I'm an artist, not to brag, but I'm a perfectionist too, so I think that's a little to my advantage there. All right, so what you need is your needle and your thread, and I've already threaded my needle. All right, let's pray that this thing stays. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to, let me pull this up so you can see this. All right, so we're going to start right here. Okay, so we're going to come in there. You're going to pull this through. Now, what you're going to do is flip this to the back because this is important. So you're going to pull this straight through. You see that? They see your tail? And that's long enough. You don't really need a long tail in cross stitch. That's a little too short. Yeah, that's fine. And then you're going to take your finger and you're just going to hold this down. All right? Then you're going to come back to the front. And then you're going to do your stitch. All right? Now, after you make your first cross, and you don't have to pull it real tight, you go back in there. Okay, look, it holds that in place. Holds it in place so you don't have to worry about it anymore. So now you can go ahead and do what you're going to do. All right, so we are going to attempt to not finish it, but we're going to do a couple rows here. All right, okay. Make sure you see exactly what I'm doing there. And cross stitch, you really don't have to tug and make it real tight because it's not necessary in cross stitching. If you're doing the stitching right, it's going to, trust me, it is going to, as you can see, it's going to come out. It'll look just right. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a couple of rows here. I'm going to leave a couple gaps because I want to change this green. I'm going to add another shade of green in here. All right, and also when you're stitching, you want to make sure that you don't get a, that the thread doesn't get tangled in the back. So you always want to check to make sure that your work is neat. Because every now and then the thread does get a little tangled there. So I think I'm going to go this way. I think I want to go, come on, There you go. Thank you, sir. And take this here. Now, what I want to do is I want to stitch this until I'm pretty much finished where I want to go this. Because what I really want to do is show you guys how to bind off or change a color, go into another. Now as you can see, I'm going on an angle because I decided I want to put another shade of green here, and then I want to take this shade and go up. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't believe I tapped mine, but I want to play with this. So this is going to be one shade of green going there. Okay, and then I want to take this and I'm going to go straight across. Now, I am one of those artists who doesn't like, not only am I an artist that way, but the way I live my life, I hate wasting things. So I'm going to take it to the very end. Oh boy, my family, if they were here, they would go like, yeah, he doesn't like wasting anything. All right, so when you think you've got all you can get out of the thread that you have, oh yeah, I can get another cross out of this. Let's see where I'm going to put it. Yeah, you know what, I'll put it right here. The best thing that I love about when you're doing your own design, you can make it up as you go. Place the colors. Oh, it's just wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. All right. So now I'm going to bind this off. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my needle and, okay, we're going to put it right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I am going to thread this needle right through these back stitches here. Okay, you saw that? See how I did that? And then you're just going to pull it through. All right, you see that? And try to come out on me. Don't you do that. And I like, for security, I like to just do it again twice. There you go. And you just pull that through. And now you don't have to worry about knotting, and then clip it right there just like that. And see, that's how you keep it nice and neat. That's how you just keep that nice and neat. And then you come back and you look at your work, and then you pick up another color and you just keep right on going. All right. So, well, that's all I wanted to share with you tonight. I will probably do some more. I'm going to work on this a little later on and probably add some more greenery down here and figure out what colors I want up in there. But, that's all I want to share with you, family. I hope and pray that you enjoyed my little creation. And I'll just give you a quick glance over it one more time. And hope and pray that you will come back and hang out with me some more. Next time you see me, you'll probably see me I'll probably have some of my dolls and show you some of my knitted dolls, and that would be a lot of fun. All right, but until then, you have a wonderful evening, and God bless you. Thank you.